Fiber is the center of all things to study because it lives in everyday life. It is the most accessible art form in a lot of ways because we wear clothing, we live with textiles every day. And I think that students, when they come to study this medium, identify that quickly. We tend to attract students who are interested in getting better at a technique. Students in our department can use a dye kitchen, print tables, sewing facilities, dress forms. Basically, if you're looking for it related to textiles, we have it in our department. These traditions that we're practicing are true to how things are made out in the world. True to workplaces, textile workshops, design and industry, production. The field of fiber has this incredible diversity in what you can follow based on what you learn as a foundation. The MICA fiber department attracts students that move in between installation and fine art to garment construction, object construction, surface pattern design. Students can pursue a life in fine art. They also might pursue design-oriented jobs where they're working for a larger company. They might start their own line. MICA plays a special role in, I think, helping people identify what their voice is when they're here. The MICA fiber community is a really special place. We attract students that are dynamic makers, unpredictable thinkers. They have a special relationship to material, labor, the history of how things get made, working together towards a greater end. That's a special thing that independent art schools are capable of nurturing.